welcome to Coding WesPy. My name is WesPy, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly structure our Django projects with virtual environment. So if you create a brand new Django project, this is the best way to do it, okay? No matter how many ways you want to go about developing your site, this is how you should actually have it put together, so that way other people will understand what you're doing. Okay, it makes it very, very simple. So let's go ahead and get everything that's required to do this. First, you're going to require virtual environment. So if you don't already have virtual environment created, go ahead and do that. So we're going to do pip install virtualenv. Okay, boom. Now once you have that done, what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to create a new directory. So make dir, and that's going to be called quick site. Now what you name your site is up to you. I just call mine quick site, as this is going to be a relatively quick site we're going to be building. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to create our virtual environment. So we're going to use virtualenv, and we're going to call it quick site dash project. Okay, and then once this occurs, it's going to take our version of Python, and as well as once we install our packages, it will be properly installed, so that way that it's all just in this and nothing else, nothing extra, to make this thing nice and clean. You know, we don't want to make our packages bloated, and we also want to make sure that it's easy for everyone to understand what we have going on. Also, if you want to see what we got going on, so that's what I have inside of my Python. That's the packages I have installed. Okay, so what I'm going to show you the differences is once we cd into quick site dash project. Okay, and now we're going to make sure what's in there, and it's going to be scripts. Now we're going to cd into scripts, and we're going to try this. No, that's not going to work. So yeah, we as a Linux developer, activate, I would want to do it this way. It just makes more sense. And if you're a Linux developer or Unix, this is how you're going to do this. Source bin activate directly from this directory. Okay, and it won't be the scripts folder, that won't be the name of it. It'll be just bin. Okay, and when you're inside of your virtual environment, as we are, then you'll be able to put in source bin activate, and that will actually activate it directly from this folder. You won't have to go down to the scripts or the bin folder and then activate. So that's how you could do that also from Linux or Unix. So right now, if we do pip freeze, you will notice that it doesn't actually show us anything. And why is that? Because we're in our virtual environment. Our virtual environment only has, well, at this moment has nothing. Okay, so that's why this is much better. Now we're going to do pip install Django. So this is a nice clean install. It only has the necessary packages, nothing more. So other developers won't, when they go to get your repository, there won't be any extra fluff there, and also it'll make sense what you have going on in your package. Okay, so that's the plan here, right? So we're gonna wait for this to actually install, and then we'll be able to take a step further. Also, since you're watching this video, make sure you like and you subscribe, and you also leave something in the comments and tell me if I'm doing well or not doing well, or what you need help with. So now if we go ahead and run pip freeze, you'll see that we only get our absolute required packages, right? That's what's actually in our project right now. Just 4 little requirements, not all that extra stuff. like that I have up here. Okay, I have a lot of stuff in there. Why did my command prompt close? That's not fun. Well, let's go ahead and get back in there, right? So all you gotta do is go into change directory, and it's going to be documents, and then it's going to be Python, and then it's going to be it'll be, let's see, Django. Then we have quick site, and then we have quick site dash project, and then finally it'll be scripts. Okay, and then all you gotta do is activate. Okay, and we can back out of here. Okay, so we're right back where we were. Okay, that's simple, that easy. Now, where we were is that pip freeze, and you see that we only have these basic requirements. It makes life very, very simple, very, very easy, very, very light. Okay, and so when other developers come along and they want to know what's in our package, we should tell them about that. So what we're going to do is we're going to back up one directory, and we're going to use our pip freeze dash requirements dot text. Okay, pip freeze, oh, extra E or extra R. Okay, and now this will show us that we have our requirements.txt. Okay, and this is a good file to have in any Python project that you're going to do at all in general. Okay, and this is something that you will need in the future, you know. And if you're not sure about this pip freeze and what I'm doing, you should definitely check back into one of my older videos, and I'll be showing how to actually use these things a little bit more comprehensively. I'll put a card up in the corner so that way you can see it. It'll be about my Python beginner's tutorial. Now, so from here, what we're going to do is we're also going to use Vim, and we're going to create a new file. It's called readme.md. Readme. And Markdown. Okay, Markdown allows for a little bit of extra stylization. But for now, what we're going to do is this is a Django project by WesPy. Okay, see the requirements.txt, or let's see. Yes, let's do this. How to install. Okay, and it'll be quick site slash quick site dash project, and then it'll be and then we'll activate. Okay, and then we're going to do quick site and then it's going to be dash project, and then it will also be quick site, and then we're going to Python manage.py run server. Okay, and that will give people enough, and then what we're going to use is this escape, and then work quit. Okay, and now we're back out of here, and now we're just going to do a little cleanup. Okay, we're going to delete this right here, And we're also, let's make sure we got everything done. Yes, okay. Now we're going to cd into quick site dash project, okay. And let's see, now we're going to actually create our Django project, which is Python, nope, we want Django dash admin, and we're going to start project manage.py, nope, it's going to be quick site, okay. And then this will actually create our Django project, and then we're going to go into the quick site directory, and then we're going to use Python manage.py run server. All right, and then our server is properly started. We can copy that. We can come on up over into here into our browser, and you will see that our Django project, our server, is up and running. Congratulations, you have Python successfully installed. And that right there is how you properly structure out a Python or any Django or any Python project you will ever do. In the future, we'll be doing GitHub as well and Git, so that way you understand how to actually push your project and properly get this all set up, so that way that this will be streamlined and this will be easy. So for now, we're going to call this the end of the video. Make sure you do hit that like button, you subscribe, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. Also, if you do need help, I will leave a video to the original Python tutorial, so that way you'll be prepared to deal with this project. So until next time, happy coding, and I'll see you then.